इस्लामाबाद में वज़ीर आज़म शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी ने एशियन कोस्ट गार्ड्स एजेंसीज़ के इजलास में शिरकत की। इस मौके पर इजलास से खिताब करते हुए उनका कहना था,
खुर्रम दस्तगीर खान साहब, फेडरल मिनिस्टर फॉर डिफेंस, एडमिरल जफर महमूद अब्बासी, चीफ ऑफ द नेवल स्टाफ, रियर एडमिरल जमील अख्तर, डीजी पाकिस्तान मैरीटाइम सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी, विजिटिंग heads of coast guards and maritime security and safety agencies, distinguished delegates, Assalamu alaikum. I am pleased to be here amongst the maritime practitioners from around the world who have gathered for the 13th meeting of heads of Asian Coast Guards agencies. I would like to thank the Ministry of Defense and the Director General, Pakistan Maritime Security Agency for hosting this event. Over the years, HEJM, spearheaded by the Japanese Coast Guard, has become a vibrant forum to synergize the efforts of Asian Coast Guards and maritime and security and safety agencies. It also provides a forum to enable its members to share experiences over wide-ranging maritime issues.
खिताब में जापानी कोस्ट गार्ड्स की कारकर्दगी को सराहते हुए वज़ीर आज़म शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी का कहना था,
I would like to compliment the Japanese Coast Guard for taking the lead in institutionalizing this forum. Distinguished delegates, oceans have always been the world's highways to prosperity. They remain the unquestioned and most economical medium for trade and transportation. The dependence of the global economy on the oceans continues to increase, and hence the safety and security of maritime resources and sea lines of communication has become more important. After the events of 9/11, concerns for security have accentuated both on land as well as in the sea.
वज़ीर आज़म शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी ने आबी गुज़रगाहों के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ और मसाइल के हल में मुमालिक के किरदार पर रोशनी डालते हुए कहा,
In the maritime domain, terrorism, piracy, illegal trafficking of drugs and weapons, human trafficking, illegal fishing, environmental degradation, and protection of ocean ecosystems have become issues of concern for every state. Due to greater interdependencies through the world's oceans, disturbance in any one part results in a ripple effect across the globe. Due to vastness of the oceans, the contemporary maritime challenges cannot be addressed by a single nation. Thus, cooperation to mitigate these maritime challenges has become a matter of compulsion rather than choice. Nations have come together by instituting various regimes and legal instruments to promote peaceful uses of the seas, equitable and efficient utilization of resources, and preservation of the marine environment. These principles are also enshrined in the UN Convention on Law of the Sea, which calls for all maritime states and their maritime law enforcement entities to act and operate in unison.
पाकिस्तान की तिजारत में समंदर की अहमियत को उजागर करते हुए वज़ीर आज़म का कहना था,
Ladies and gentlemen, in Pakistan's case, more than 95% of our trade is dependent on the sea. Thus, sea lines of communications remain our national lifeline. Pakistan remains fully committed to maintain good order at sea and is always ready to cooperate on maritime issues of global concern. Our efforts include wide-ranging maritime initiatives, continued participation and command of multinational task forces 150 and 151, and regular hosting of Aman series of exercises are the clear manifestation of the government's focused attention on maritime affairs. Participation in humanitarian assistance and disaster relief efforts in Indonesia, Maldives and Sri Lanka, and evacuation of foreign nationals from war-stricken areas of Yemen are also a reflection of the capabilities of Pakistan's naval forces. In this effort, the role of Pakistan Maritime Security Agency as the sole maritime law enforcement agency of Pakistan remains vital.
मैरीटाइम सिक्योरिटी को दरपेश मसाइल पर बैनुल-अक़वामी सतह पर ताउन के हवाले से बात करते हुए वज़ीर आज़म शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी ने मज़ीद कहा,
Mandated to enforce national and international laws, agreements and conventions in the maritime zones of Pakistan, we have equipped BMSA with potent seagoing platforms as well as aircraft and fully functioning coastal bases. We are also aware that to respond to the emerging maritime challenges, we have to commit more resources to enhance its capacity and capability to smoothly perform these tasks. Distinguished delegates, I believe that all the organizations represented here today will continue to cooperate in confronting the maritime security challenges. I earnestly hope that deliberations made in this forum would be mutually beneficial in pursuit of our shared maritime security objectives. I sincerely thank all the delegates for coming to Pakistan for this meeting, and I hope that you will enjoy traditional Pakistani hospitality. With this, I declare the high-level meeting of 13th Heads of Asian Coast Guard Organization open. Thank you very much.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties.
पाकिस्तान भर में नुमाइंदगान का वसी नेटवर्क, हर खबर जानने के लिए देखते रहिए TNN TV।